It is a little brisk this morning. Woo! It was cold last night, but I'm in the bottom of a drainage here. Really high drainage. I think I'm about 2,000 meters or close to it. All packed up here, leaving a little earlier this morning. I think it's around 7:15. I'm going to Tornado Pass and then Tornado Saddle today, so it's going to be a big day. I'm really glad I finally got my knee and my leg feeling better. I had just a really tight hip, so I stretched that out good yesterday, and hoping that's not going to cause me too much grief the rest of the trip, because I need to crush some miles. Ready to roll here. Trying to beat a potential storm at 1 this afternoon, so I'm gonna get up and over that pass, and then I'll have one more pass. So I think I have about 1,000 meters to climb today, maybe a bit more, and about 1,200 down to get to Cache Creek in 22K. So I'm about halfway up this scree slope on Tornado Saddle route here. It's been going pretty good. Once I got to the top of that avalanche pass, I came around the corner down below, and the trail goes through the trees and then winds its way up to here. Some of it's, pick your own, but there's some trail dug in, mostly probably goats. Well, I made it. I made it up Tornado Pass. It was a good little climb at the end there. Luckily though, I've done some steep routes this year with some friends and a little bit of scrambling, even in my ultras, trail runners, so my feet are nice and strong, and that was good. I mean, the weight in my pack is, really manageable now, and my knee is totally fine, so I'm really happy today. I'm just gonna be cruising. So I made it to my lunch spot here at South Hidden Creek. I've got a really nice little spot right by the creek. Looks like a moose was through here recently. Anyway, it's my last day of the Fritos, the pepperoni, and the Baby Bell cheeses. And then it's on to dehydrated warm lunches. This is a nice spot. I would recommend camping here if you can make the kilometers work out. The camp is just over there in the woods, and looks like there's some flat spots. It looks like it's your typical horse camp. So Anyway, nice spot here. I'm gonna soak my feet after I eat and then get up over that last pass for the day. This is a really nice bit of trail above Cache Creek, before Cache Creek heading northbound. It's really nice weather too, good time of day, 4:30 here. I don't know what it is about that open little first knob, but you have 360 views. It's just great to see all that country to the east, as well as see the divide to the west. And now I'm just kind of doing a bit of a hump and bump along the ridge here. And yeah, the trail is just nice through this bit of sparsely populated forest here. It's kind of nice, good lighting. So just about to the drop off though, and I'm gonna head down to camp for the night. Alright, so I made it to camp here at Cache Creek Camp. It was a nice ridge walk down. The camp's pretty small, couple tent sites. I definitely picked the best one. Not that I'm gonna see anyone anyway. I think I'm on day 3.5 without seeing people. Just making some dinner right now, boiling up some water. Gonna make my first dehydrated meal tonight. And then it's gonna be off to bed, not much after that. I'm pretty tired today, so that'll be it. Catch you tomorrow.